We are reading for Scorpio Soulmates month of November. So all that you guys need to know about your soulmate relationship, where things are going. So let's start. First three cards for you and then remove your person. So yeah. First we have for you is King of Pentacles. So this month is all going to be about stability. You're going to be much more focused on your financial gains. How you're going to be, like planning your future, your investments. The month of October for many of you could have been very good. You were celebrating something or someone's birthday, someone's wedding, someone's whatever party, someone's promotion, but you were happy. You were around friends or family. Okay, what else do we see coming up for Scorpio? You guys could be running away from something or not wanting to face something. I do not know what that is. You have confusion regarding this matter. It could be work, it could be relationship, it could be something else altogether. But you are running away or not wanting to face. Running away could be a big word, right? Might not be exact a word to be used, but I feel you're trying to escape something, not wanting to face it. Okay. What else is coming up for Scorpio, please? With the Hermit card, you guys are choosing the silence or the walk away phase to come to a conclusion or to plan something. Okay, you guys are not really comfortable wherever you are, and you want to stay away from whatever is troubling you right now. You want that peace. One more card. What else do you see coming up for Scorpio, please? Yeah, Four of Swords. All cards speak about you wanting to stay away or alone or wanting silence altogether. You can't really be a part of drama at least this month. Okay, that's your plan. Okay, no more shit. You're wanting to do your own thing. You want to focus more on yourself. You could also be using this time to heal. Okay, if you have had a difficult time recently, then you might use that time to heal and just gather that strength, gain that strength back. Okay, in terms of your person, what are they up to? We have the Hierophant card. Many of you guys could be dealing with a possible earth sign. If not, someone who's a businessman or a businesswoman, someone who's well to do, okay? Not just financially, but the person has a lot of knowledge, okay? Someone who's looked up to, okay? What else do we see coming up for Scorpio's person, please? Howsoever, even if this person is knowledgeable and well to do and settled, everything, they have been playing mind games with you. Okay, it's like a win win battle or a win lose battle where this person is wanting to prove a point, and for that, they could trigger you, push you away, get a reaction out of you. They are basically doing things, they are basically playing mind games. Okay, what else do we see come up for Scorpio's person, please? Six of Wands. They are only doing this to get your attention or for you to focus 100% on them. So it's basically a manipulation tactic. Okay. So with Six of Wands, this person definitely wants your attention. How do they think about Scorpio? Knight of Wands. Still very sexually attracted to you. In terms of their major emotions, what are their current feelings for Scorpio? The Lovers card. For many of you, this person in the past could have been sexually attracted to you. There wasn't much emotions there. No card in terms of heart space. With the Sun card, you make them happy. Your presence makes them feel good. Okay. This person for many of you could also be a Earth sign, Leo especially. If not Gemini, I'm getting very strong. Taurus, very strong again. In terms of their hate space, how do they feel about Scorpio? Three of Swords. Hate space, they are heartbroken. They are just not. They are just feeling low about it. I do not know what happened. Maybe the silence is finally affecting them. Currently, they are in a lot of confusion. They do not know what is happening. But if you ask me, are they still interested? They are very much interested. Almost 95% interested. Okay. In terms of their major intentions, Five of Wands. They do not know exactly what they want with you. Sometimes they feel like it's sexual. Sometimes they feel like it's just attraction. It's not anything more. Some of them could be having more than one option. Okay, but you are someone who they cannot let go or cannot move on from. Okay, in terms of what are they wanting to offer? Three of Cups. For many of you, this person still wants to remain friends with you or wants friends with benefit situation. I do not see a lot of emotions, truth be told, but yes, you do make them happy. Okay, in terms of What do they want with you now? Right now with Five of Pentacles, I'll be very straightforward with you. We are not really looking forward towards relationship or lasting, like connection. They are rather wanting to live for the moment. Okay, they wanting to go with the flow. They do not have any sort of plans. Okay, they are just wanting to fool around in a good way, not in a bad way. Okay, I hope you understand. In terms of what are they willing to offer, this person could have ghosted you in the recent past. Okay, with Page of Wands. In terms of where things could be going for Scorpio and their person to the 20th of the month. Queen of Wands and Six of Pentacles. Yes, you guys will end up, finding a way back to each other. You guys will be on talking terms. I definitely feel with Eight of Cups, this person had tried to walk away from you, but they cannot. They're still stuck on you. Why is this person coming back if they lack emotions? But there's a super solid sexual attraction here. Okay, they do not know why are they coming back. It's like they keep telling themselves it's only sexual. Okay, one card of advice for Scorpios. Four of Pentacles, you do not have to take any sort of action. With Four of Pentacles, just hold on to what you believe in. You already know the truth. You just got to believe yourself. Okay, you guys are just so much high on intuition and you don't really need a rating. But yeah, whatever. With Nine of Cups, do what's best for you. You do not have to settle or compromise or do things that could hurt you or your future. Do what's best for you, do what's favorable for you. Yes, not in a narcissistic way, in a polite, balanced way. Okay, so yeah, does this person miss you? Absolutely yes. Some of you might be asking that question, so thought of answering. With the Moon card, there's a lot of unknowns in this connection. Okay, it could have been just an affair in the past, and then it just escalated to something that we know as today. Okay, with the World card, this person is definitely at a distance. For some of you, it's almost long distance. Okay, with Justice card, another sign I see is Libra. Okay, this person considers you their close friend, their soulmate, but sometimes doubts their feelings. Okay, with Ten of Cups, you might be wanting marriage or you wanted marriage. Okay, but they put you at crossroads and now you're so much wanting to end it. Okay, so I feel Scorpios are not really wanting to look forward to this connection. Reason being, the past hurt is still hurting you. Okay, one more card in terms of spirit messages. For benefits, not a honest person. In the past, this person could have not been very honest with you or not very real with you. They were around for benefits. Okay, you know it in some which way. You have a clue or an idea. What else? Frustrations on and off. So this connection is all going in circles. Okay, it had been and it has been and it might still go in circles. So that is something that you need to consider. Okay, wants to wrap it up and move elsewhere. In the past, this person could have wanted to wrap it up and move elsewhere. Okay, but they are caught up on you. Okay, so for Scorpios who are wanting someone new in their life, how are things going for them? For some of you, you might not really want marriage with a new person, but you're still wanting to see where things could go. You might not even even be putting in efforts for the new connection. With the Moon and the Devil, you're still very much attached to the past person, darling. Okay, so that could be blocking your future connections. Okay, so that is all I have for Scorpio. If it resonated, kindly hit the like button. Do let me know in the comment section. Support your sign. More the likes, more the views. I'll be posting more of the Scorpio content. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, I need your like as much as possible. Okay, and I hope that it resonated. If it does, do let me know in the comment section. Again, do subscribe so that you don't miss my video. I might be posting late and sometimes not so consistently, but I'm trying. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers. Thank you so much.